Haven Railroad train running up the level. Be careful of the gap between the train and the platform. Yeah, still while y'all are coming, interview on the PA. The doors will now be closed. Please allow arriving passengers to the train. The next stop will be Vernon Jackson Avenue, Long Island City, Queens. Next stop, Vernon Jackson Avenue, Long Island City, Queens. Here you go, buddy. The next stop will be Hunters Point Boulevard. Hunters Point Boulevard. Please watch as step leaves the train. Please stand clear from the platform. The train is approaching the station. Attention passengers, please allow arriving passengers to detrain before boarding. The next stop will be Queensboro Plaza. This stop, Queensboro Plaza. Change here for BMT, QB, QT, and P trains in Astoria. Please stand clear of the platform. The train is now riding the station. The doors will now be closing. Conductor, this is your monument. Do you have indication? Try your doors again. Conductor, this is your monument. Do you have indication? Monument, this is your conductor. Yes, I have indication. The next stop will be 61st Street, one side. 61st Street, one side. Attention passengers, please allow arriving passengers to detrain before boarding. Please stand clear of the platform. The train is approaching the station. Next stop, Junction Boulevard. This stop, Junction Boulevard. doors will now be closing. Next stop, Launch Point World Fair, 680, Bushnell Park. Next stop, Launch Point World Fair, 680, Bushnell Park. This is the last stop. Attention passengers, there is a train laying down at the next stop. There will be a slight delay. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your cooperation.